More problems here with this video. One of them says that I want to buy a used car. Probably it's me. And I need to have down payment of 25%. So 25% down payment is needed. If the car I want to buy costs $2,200, how much down payment will I need? So I'll do this problem using part to whole method. So that part to whole is equal to part to whole is equal to percentage, something at 100, percent P at 100, and which is percentage, something like this, right? So now we already have the 25%. That's equal to 25 at 100. Part to whole. What is the part? What is the whole? Now, if I read this again, you'll see I wanted to buy a used car and I need to have a down payment of 25%. If the car I want to buy costs 2,500, so that's the whole price, right? And then so I need to have part of it. How much down payment? Down payment is part of it that I need. So this is simple. So down payment, which is unknown, and total is 2,200, right? So you need to solve this. Again, cross canceling. This divided by 25 is 1. This divided by 25 is 4. I explained this many times in the previous videos. You can watch if you haven't watched them. So I just need this proportionality to solve it. And it's going to be what? X over 2,200 is equal to 1 over 4. Cross multiply it. 4 times x is 4x, equal to 1 times 2,200 is 2,200. You divide by 4 both sides. X will be equal to, okay, how do we divide this by 4? Look here. This is what I'm going to do. Again, I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2 equal to 2. This is divisible by 2. Why? Because there's a rule to figure out what number is divisible by 2. If this one digit is an even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, and even 0, either one of these, if you have them in the ones place, the whole number is going to be divisible by 2. Like example, 1,234. Yes, that's divisible by 2 because this is even. 2,986. This is divisible by 2 because that's even. 9,812. That's 2 divisible by. That's divisible by 2. 100. That's divisible by 2 because this is 0. And 98. That's divisible by 2 because this is 8. So if it's odd, it's not divisible by 2. If you divide by 2, what you're going to get is just 22 divided by 2 is what? 11. You're going to get 1100. So that's fast mental way of doing it, unless you can do long division and figure it out. So 1100. If you don't know long division, you have to go back to our videos to long division. So when it's ready, you can watch and learn. So I said that that's dividing by 2, you're going to get that. So what do you have eventually? You have it for right now, 1100 over 2, right? Again, they're divisible by 2. So this divide by 2 is going to be 1. How would I divide this by 2? So I do this mentally again. See, if you don't know, I'm trying to teach you mental stuff, mental math. 11 times 100, that's 1100. So I'm going to divide this 100 divided by 2. This divide by 2. That's going to be 50. So what's left is 11 and 50. 11 times 50 over 1. That's x equal to 1150 over 1. What is 11 times 50? 5 times 11 is 55. And there's 1 0, 550. If you don't know it, you have to do long division. You divide it by 2 or twice, or you divide by 4. So we're done with this problem. Let's move on to the next one. And the next problem is find the percent of the number. This is simple, right? After doing so many of them here today, we have 25% of 48. See, you use this, set up this expression. Same thing that when you were setting up an equation will apply here. 25% is 100. 2500 of becomes multiplication. 48, that's over 1. Simplify them, cross simplify them, either way. But this is easy since you've done it. Ooh, that's 1 over 4 divided by 25. Both of these can be divided and you get 1 over 4. And now you can cross cancel them. Why? When you cross cancel them, whenever you have here multiplication, this divided by 2. I'll do step by step. Both of these are divided by 4. See, if this divided by 4 is going to be 1, this divided by 4 is going to be 12. That's better, but I'll go step by step. If you don't know, divide by 2, you get 2. This divide by 2 because it's even, right? That's even. So you get 24. Now again, this divide by 2, you get 1. And this divide by 2, it's even, see? You get 12. This divide by 2 is 1, this divide by 2 is 2, so it's get 12. So eventually what's left? It's left 1 over 1 times 12 over 1. That's equal to 12. Done with this problem.